Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're talking about how to find mugshots in the state of Utah. It's a common question, whether you're checking on someone you know, doing some background research, or are just curious about a local news story. But Utah has some specific rules that make the process a little different than in other states, so let's break down the best and most reliable ways to find this information. Your first and most important stop should always be official government sources. The vast majority of arrests are handled at the county level, so the best place to start is the website for the specific county sheriff's office where the arrest took place. For example, if the arrest was in Salt Lake City, you would go to the Salt Lake County Sheriff's Office website. On these sites, you'll want to look for a section labeled Jail Roster, Inmate Search, Current Inmates, or Booking Information. This is the public roster of individuals currently being held in the county jail, and it's the most accurate source for recent arrest information. The second official source is for individuals who have already been convicted and are serving time in a state prison, not a local jail. For this, you need to go to the Utah Department of Corrections website. They have an official offender search tool that allows you to look up individuals in the state prison system. This will give you information on convicted felons, but you won't find someone who was just arrested for a minor offense here. A third option is to check public court records through the Utah State Court's website. They have a case search feature that lets you look up criminal court cases. While this often won't show you the actual mugshot photo, it will provide you with the official record of the arrest, the charges filed, court dates, and the final outcome of the case, which is often more important information than the picture itself. Now, let's talk about the third-party websites you see all over Google. You need to be extremely careful with these. These are for-profit websites that scrape public data and often present it in a confusing way, filled with ads. The information can be outdated, inaccurate, or incomplete. Importantly, Utah has a specific law that restricts how these commercial sites can use mugshots, and they are not allowed to charge you a fee to remove a booking photo. So if a site asks for money to take a photo down, be very wary. It's always better to rely on the official county and state websites we mentioned first. Finally, always remember that an arrest is not a conviction. A mugshot simply proves that someone was arrested, not that they are guilty of a crime. Everyone is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. I hope this guide helps you find the information you're looking for in a safe and accurate way. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button.